Managing employee records and payroll can be a complex and time-consuming task. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline these processes and make them more efficient? In this video, we'll look at 10 ways ERP systems can help you streamline employee records and payroll. First, let's talk about centralized employee records. ERP systems provide a single, unified database for all employee information. This means that all data, from personal details to job history and performance evaluations, is stored in one place. This centralization reduces the risk of data duplication and errors, ensuring that you have accurate and up-to-date information at all times. Next, ERP systems offer real-time data access. The feature allows HR managers to access current information about employees instantly. Whether you need to check attendance records, track employee performance, or update personal details, having real-time access ensures that decisions are based on the most recent data. This immediacy enhances responsiveness and accuracy in HR management. Automating payroll processes is another significant advantage of ERP systems. By automating calculations for salaries, deductions, taxes, and benefits, ERP systems eliminate manual errors and save valuable time. This automation ensures that employees are paid accurately and on time every time. It also simplifies compliance with tax regulations and labor laws, reducing the risk of costly penalties. Compliance with regulations is crucial for HR management. ERP systems help ensure compliance by providing detailed audit trails for all HR activities. These audit trails track changes to employee records and payroll, making it easy to verify compliance with labor laws and tax regulations. This transparency is essential for both internal audits and external regulatory reviews. Analytics and reporting is made easy with ERP systems. They provide powerful tools to generate detailed reports on various HR metrics such as employee turnover, attendance, and performance. These insights help HR managers make informed decisions, identify trends, and develop strategies to improve employee satisfaction and retention. Employee self-service portals are another key feature of ERP systems. These portals allow employees to access and update their own records, view payslips, request time off, and more. This self-service capability empowers employees and reduces the administrative burden on HR staff. ERP systems also streamline performance management processes. They provide tools for setting goals, tracking progress, and conducting performance reviews. This structured approach to performance management ensures that employees receive regular feedback and recognition, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By aligning individual goals with organizational objectives, ERP systems help drive performance and productivity. Managing recruitment is another area where ERP systems excel. They offer tools for posting job openings, tracking applications, and managing candidate information. This centralized approach simplifies the recruitment process, making it easier to find and hire the best talent. Training and development are critical for employee growth. ERP systems provide tools for managing training programs, tracking employee development, and assessing training effectiveness. These tools ensure that employees receive the training they need to excel in their roles. Finally, ERP systems are scalable and flexible. As your business grows, your HR management process can adapt, ensuring long-term stability and efficiency. ERP systems can accommodate increasing employee numbers, additional users, and new business units, allowing you to scale your operations seamlessly.